Next is long short term memory neural network, LSTM. The type of neural networks in which the memory cell is incorporated into hidden layer neurons is called LSTM network. Keep in mind that LSTM is a particular type of the recurrent neural network, or RNN, that we saw in the previous lecture. This particular type of RNN, known as LSTM, is able to learn long term dependencies via the use of the short term memory networks. Hochreiter and Schmid-Huber 1997 were the first to present it, and many others have since improved and popularized it. Long short term memory networks are now frequently employed because they work so effectively on so many different types of issues. By design, LSTMs do not suffer from the long term dependency issue. It is not like they have to work hard to learn how to retain knowledge for lengthy periods of time. Alright, so that was it for the long short term memory networks, and now on to the next lecture.